In today's fast-paced digital world, business professionals need more than just a smartphone. They need a powerful productivity tool. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra aims to redefine mobile business efficiency with its cutting-edge hardware, AI-driven software, and enterprise-grade security. From enhanced Galaxy AI features to seamless ecosystem integration, this flagship business smartphone promises to be an indispensable asset for entrepreneurs, corporate executives, and mobile professionals. Let's dive into the top features, business advantages, and why the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the best choice for professionals in 2025. A design that means business. When it comes to business smartphones, premium build quality and durability are essential. The Galaxy S25 Ultra takes Samsung's renowned design philosophy to the next level with Armor Aluminum 2.0 frame, stronger than ever, ensuring protection against drops. Titanium reinforcement. Inspired by the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra's titanium frame enhances durability without adding weight. Sleek and professional finish, available in Phantom Black, Titanium Gray, and an exclusive Business Blue, this phone exudes professionalism. The refined boxy design ensures a firm grip, and the integrated S Pen makes note-taking, signing documents, and sketching ideas effortless. Revolutionary AI-powered business features. Samsung is pushing Galaxy AI further than ever, introducing game-changing business-centric AI features in the S25 Ultra. 1. AI-powered meeting notes and summaries. Voice-to-text transcription. AI converts meetings into organized text. Real-time language translation. Translates business calls instantly into multiple languages. Auto-summarization. Generates concise meeting summaries, ensuring you never miss key points. 2. AI-powered email and chat assistance. Auto-reply suggestions. AI drafts contextual responses to emails and messages. Professional tone adjustment. Converts informal texts into formal business emails in seconds. 3. Samsung AI-generated documents and reports. AI analyzes spreadsheets, sales data, and reports, summarizing key insights. Samsung Notes AI formats reports, auto-filling charts and graphs from raw data. These Galaxy AI features are tailored for productivity, making your workday smarter and more efficient. A next-level display for business and creativity. The 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display is larger, brighter, and smoother than ever. 2K plus resolution for crystal-clear documents, emails, and presentations. 2600 nits peak brightness, making it easy to use even in direct sunlight. 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring seamless scrolling through business reports. S Pen support with AI-powered handwriting-to-text conversion, perfect for quick notes. Whether you're reviewing contracts, editing Excel sheets, or giving virtual presentations, the S25 Ultra's display ensures top-tier clarity. Industry-leading performance for business users. Samsung teamed up with Qualcomm to develop the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, providing faster processing speeds for multitasking between apps. Optimized efficiency for extended battery life. AI acceleration for smarter business applications. With 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage, the S25 Ultra can handle multiple work apps, large files, and even 8K video editing on the go. Business-grade security and enterprise support. Security is a top priority for business users, and Samsung delivers with defense-grade protection. 1. Samsung Knox, uncompromised security. Real-time malware protection guards business data. Secure Folder encrypts sensitive work files. Knox Vault protects passwords and authentication credentials. 2. Biometric security for instant access. Ultrasonic fingerprint scanner 3.0. More accurate and faster than before. Advanced face unlock. Now AI-enhanced for better security. 3. Secure business communication. End-to-end encrypted Samsung messages and calls. Multi-device Knox security, ensuring company data remains private across Samsung devices. Samsung continues to set the gold standard for business security in mobile devices. All-day battery life and super fast charging. A business phone is only as good as its battery life, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers 5,500 mAh battery, longest-lasting Ultra battery ever. 65W super fast charging, 50% charge in just 20 minutes. 30W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for added convenience. With AI-powered battery optimization, the S25 Ultra adapts to your work habits, ensuring you never run out of power in critical moments. Business-class connectivity and multi-device integration. Samsung makes cross-device productivity seamless. Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast file transfers. Private 5G networking for businesses requiring high-speed secured connections. Samsung DeX 2.0, enhanced wireless desktop mode for presentations and document editing. Microsoft Office and Google Workspace integration, streamlining your workflow. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a mobile office, letting you work anytime, anywhere with zero compromises. The ultimate business camera system. While cameras may seem consumer-focused, the S25 Ultra's upgraded quad camera system is an invaluable business tool. 200MP AI-enhanced sensor captures high-resolution business visuals. 4x and 6x variable telephoto zoom for capturing distant details. Super HDR video for professional-quality business presentations. Enhanced document scanning mode ensures crisp text digitization. Whether you're scanning contracts, capturing product photos, or recording virtual meetings, the S25 Ultra's cameras redefine business productivity. Pricing and availability. Is it worth it? Samsung positions the Galaxy S25 Ultra as a premium business investment, expected to start at $1,299 for 256 gigabytes. $1,399 for 512 gigabytes. $1,599 for 1 terabyte. For professionals who demand the best in security, productivity, and AI-powered efficiency, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers unmatched value. Final verdict: the best business phone of 2025? The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another smartphone, it's a game-changing business tool. With its AI-driven efficiency, security enhancements, and top-tier performance, it is Samsung's most business-centric Ultra device yet. Whether you're a CEO, freelancer, or corporate executive, this phone ensures you stay ahead in a fast-moving digital world. Lightbulb, are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments. Loudspeaker, subscribe to Technology Review for the latest in tech and business innovations.